front of me is Allview X4 Soul Style, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. So just take a look at the current wallpaper and also the picture which covers your lock screen. They are all the same. And now let's open the settings. Under basic settings you will find display, so smoothly marked, and now go to the wallpaper. Here you have two albums, and these are desktop wallpaper and lock screen wallpaper. Let me choose the first one, and if you will click here once, you can smoothly slide and see all the rest. And then just pick the one that you would like to apply. So maybe this one, tap on apply, and now you can decide if you want it to apply it on your desktop only, lock screen only, or maybe both of them. And I will choose the third option, which is apply to all. And as you can see, from now on, this brand new wallpaper is covering both your home screen and also the lock screen. Here it is. So congrats, you've just changed the wallpaper in your Allview. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.